What if I told you your next healthy obsession is made with ugu, carrots, and eggs, baked to perfection in just 15 minutes? This Fit Farm recipe is about to change your meal prep game. Are you ready? So in a pot, we have our chopped ugu leaves, aka pumpkin leaves. We are going in with onions. And let me just tell you this, ugu is one of Africa's best kept secrets. And next, you're going in with some chopped carrot to give it that rich, vibrant look and with lots of vitamins. We're going to stir that, and now here's where it gets real. Every Fit Farm person knows the struggle. You're trying to hit your macros, your taste buds are crying for flavor, and your brain just wants jollof rice. Am I lying? Next, we're going in with our pepper flakes or our chili flakes, and then some salt, a pinch of salt. We have allowed this to steam for 3 minutes on low heat. Emphasis on low heat. Okay, just give that a good mix. And while our veggies are being steamed and set aside, we want to crack some eggs. Here I have 4 eggs, but I ended up adding extra 2 just so that I can have more egg veggies to go round. Once you crack that, you want to whisk it like your life depends on it. Have you ever whisked eggs and suddenly start questioning your upper body strength? That's the same way you whisk this particular egg, okay? Then you want to add a pinch of salt again, and next we're going to whisk that and add it to the mixture that we have set aside previously. Add your veggies, so colorful, into the egg, and you just want to give that a good mix. So now I notice that the veggies are more than the egg. I'm just going to add extra 2 eggs like I mentioned, so that it goes round and it lasts or reaches everybody that is going to be eating this breakfast. So you're going to whisk that, whisk, and then you want to add it into the veggies. Once that is done, you want to mix this up properly again, and then you make sure that your pan is ready. This time, ensure that your oven is preheating or your air fryer. My pan is already graced with butter. I'm going to put in a parchment paper over it, and then we would go in with our egg and veggie mix. Let's just whisk it one more time and add that in, level it up, and next we're going to be putting it into our preheated oven or air fryer, as the case may be. Now, this step is very important. You don't want to put the eggs directly into the pan or in my stick as it bakes, okay? So you want to put it over a parchment paper. You don't want a sticky situation. Now we are going to set this to 15 minutes at 125 degrees. And there you have it. Our egg veggies is ready. So you can enjoy this with tea or a bowl of yogurt by the side, whatever you want. You can even eat it as a snack and just enjoy a healthy breakfast. By the way, how's your Fit Farm journey been going? Be honest. Are you smashing your goals or side-eyeing your gym shoes from the couch? If you're yet to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button. Your support means a lot to us.